YouTube. So today we doing a little vlog. We going to Meow Wolf or some shit. Got the Zaza right here.
Wait, you last. Let Jacob go first and then Jay win.
We finna be on the road.
Hey, you kids, get over here. Get over here.
No, it's not. It's where you can go back to the house. Yeah, you exit the house right after. I want to go downstairs. Yeah, let's go upstairs.
What is that? You don't even know where you're going.
This exit is the house. Back at the front of the house.
No, then we're going the wrong way. Come
I'm
on.
going upstairs.
Wait for us. So just don't stop.
Oh shit, this is weird. This shit hella small.
Get over here. Giselle, get over here.
Damn, this shit for real. Bro, what the fuck am I in, bro? Oh shit. That's fucked up, bro. Wait.
Get out the closet.
I know we're going back around.
Oh shit. Tight ass. Oh shit.
This is tricky. Ajá. Aquí no puedes salir de para calm down. Ahora tiene la gente para adentro.
Enable their way in here. Sorry. No sé.
Drop that phone. Somebody get it.
I got it.
That's the last one.
Is there room in there?
What is this? Oh, hell no.
It's a tiny
You
room
can't
in
get
there.
out?
You have to get out through here.
Damn, you having trouble or what? Nah, this shit. Yes.
Do you like it? I can barely even pick up my head.
This is it?
Yeah, it's trippy.
Wait, where you go from?
From here,
Oh.
or you can get out through there, but it's closed.
Oh, okay.
Right
there's
here.
There's a little tunnel right here.
There's a tunnel right here, Mom.
Just walk with you, bro. It's okay. If there's anything, you tell him it's mine.
Oh, that's.
Lighter, Jason. Come on, come on.
I'm trying to.
Javen is next. Come on, come get it, Javen. You did get those 100 from the middle, right?
whenever we went to Meow Wolf, I guess they had to check our pockets and shit. And then I guess I had my disposable in my pocket. I accidentally get it out. She sees I had it in my hand. She's like, oh, you better go hide it.
Come on, get up. Put this on.
Here it goes.
I can barely help myself.
You trying to hit this? You trying to hit this? Got this much of this over, bro. We going back to our ride. I had to turn it off late earlier because we walked inside the church. I had to hide this whole summers. Something I did not get to mention to y'all is that whenever we went to Meow Wolf, I had my shit, my disposable in my pockets. They had to search us. I got that shit out, not knowing that I had it in there, or I forgot I had it in there. Yeah, they told the lady said it calmly, and she was being nice at first. She told me that I had to go hide it before I go in there, so I went to go hide that bitch. After I go hide that bitch, I go back in there. We have a good time. After that, shit, wait, hold on. I'm gonna pass this over. There you go.
You should look for that church on your thing, Jason. See if we're going to.
Damn, how big about it? Hot boxing Carl Jr.'s hot up in the restroom and shit. We had Carl's Jr. with it, feel me? You just got done eating my blood. Oh shit. Alright, so I'm back, but I ain't gonna cap to y'all. This been a long time since I picked up the camera. I went to Meow Wolf like at July. I went like during summer. It had to be July the 10th or July the 11th. I don't know when I went, but it was a long time ago. It's been a couple days. Today's July the 28th. It's about to be August. So today I was just thinking, I was like, damn, bro, I made this Meow Wolf video. It's been sitting in my camera roll for days. I went to Meow Wolf a long time ago, and now it's already about to be August, so I gotta pick up the camera. I gotta do the outro and tell him what happened whenever I pulled up to Meow Wolf. And yeah, and after that, just wrap up the video. But yeah, I'm finna wrap it up. But before I do, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened whenever I pulled up to Meow Wolf. But basically, so we're on the road, right? We pull up to Meow Wolf, and we're thinking about the line. We're like, we hope the line's not long. We pulled up, we get there, the line's long. We check in, we gotta wait in the back of the line. We wait in the line, the line's moving. But in my head, I was thinking, all right, so I've been. This is my second time to Meow Wolf. I've been to Meow Wolf, so I know. So I'm gonna keep the blunt. So I remembered. I had a. I'm gonna tell y'all the actual story because I didn't get to tell y'all the actual story whenever I was at Meow Wolf and I was doing all that because I was walking, I was distracted, I was smoking. So yeah, I didn't get to tell y'all the story of how it actually went. But basically, like the way I remember is I pulled up to Meow Wolf, right? I remember I had a blunt on me and I had a disposable. The blunt I was gonna smoke after I got out of Meow Wolf, so like I could just chill and shit. But the blunt, so once we get there, I left the blunt in the car, and the disposable I had it on me. But I low key forgot I had the disposable on me. But I remember about the blunt because the blunt was something like that's something I was just focused on. Like I was like, damn, I can't wait to smoke this. But so I leave the blunt in the car. I had this disposable. But either way, the disposable I was gonna keep it on me regardless, cause I had a video idea of going in Meow Wolf and smoking in there. So once like I'm going through that trippy ass shit, like I will be faded while going through that. But basically, we get there, we check in, we get in the line. The line's hella fucking long. We're in the back, and then after that, the line keeps moving. And then finally we get in the front of the line. We get in there, and then like mind y'all, I've been there the first time. The first time I've been there, I don't remember no fucking what's it called? Those things that you got walk through and it like the metal detector. Like they had none in there, and like this time you had to like check your. Damn, I'm stuttering, but regardless, like once we get in there, we had to take shit out of our pockets, and they had to check us and shit. But their check like their security shit was not like it's not good. I'm pretty sure there was hella people in there with like hella shit that they're not supposed to bring and shit. But basically, like I got nervous once I get in there because I was like, damn, they're checking everybody. So yeah, I might get caught. So I start taking everything out of my pocket. I reach like I had a jacket on. I reach in this pocket. I take the disposable out. She sees what's in my hand and she makes a face and she starts telling me, "Go hide, get out of this place and go hide that shit." Um so they won't do nothing about it. I was like, all right, bet. She gave me a chance to go hide it, but she said it nicely. Like at first she said it nice. Well, yeah, she said it nicely. She told me nice to go hide it. She gave me a chance to not get in trouble or none of that. And I was like, okay, bet. So I get out Meow Wolf. I go to a random tree. I dig it up in the dirt, and I put my lighter with it too. So I go hide that shit, and then I go back in there. She lets me go. And then, yeah, y'all see the video. We go in that, or my bad, bro. I'm stuttering, bro. But we go in that hole. We have fun and shit. And then once we get out, bro, that's when everything just got me mad because, okay, so we get out. My grandpa, my grandma, and my mom had to go use the restroom. They go use the restroom. My uncle and his kids, like his kids wanted to buy like toys from the store, so they go inside the store and they're just looking at what they want to buy. And then me, I'm just like I'm outside. Well, I'm not outside, but there's like this place. Like once you're done going through all that, you could like either go eat or go to the store and buy whatever you want. But I was like outside of the store and the restroom and all that. I was in the middle of the place. I was just standing there. That same security guard that seen that I had a disposable on me, she walks up to me. She starts yelling at me saying, never do that again. Like she gave me a whole attitude saying never do that again. But if I bring something else that I'm not supposed to bring, I'm banned from the place. I can never go back. I was like, alright, bet. But then after that, she switched up her attitude again. And then after done yelling at me, like I respect females, so I'm just chill. I'm like, all right, just leave me alone. Stop making a scene, because everybody was staring at us. But then after she starts yelling at me, like she she acts nice now, and then she says, "Here, since you did that, I'm not gonna do nothing about it, but I'm gonna give you a warning. And next time if you do it, you're banned. But regardless, I'm gonna give you these coins to give to your little brothers and all that, cause I guess she thought my cousins were my brothers, but she told me to give the coins to my brothers and shit, and to my brother, cause my brother was there too. But yeah, she told me to give it to my brothers and shit. I was like, all right, and then she just walked off, and then after that, my whole family just comes up to me. Well, I go up to them and I tell them, here's the coins, and like, where you get that from? I tell them what happened, and like, oh, but yeah, that's basically what happened. But yeah, bro, I could have sneaked in that dispo, but I fucked up by taking it out, bro. I'm dumb, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie, part two is gonna happen. Part two gots to happen. Like I ain't like that. I ain't get to spark up in that hole or do what I wanted to do for this video, but part two is gonna have to happen. So stay tuned for that. But I'm out. Like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'm out. Wait, stay ready for part two, bro.